Vigilant Aerospace Systems reached several major milestones in 2018 in our mission to bring automatic detect and avoid and intelligent airspace management to the commercial drone industry using our FlightHorizon product. In 2018, FlightHorizon was selected to provide detect and avoid and airspace safety to 2 of the FAA's 10 Integration Pilot Program teams. The Integration Pilot Program is the FAA's flagship program to test systems and develop standards for routine beyond visual line-of-sight flights and package delivery using drones. Vigilant Aerospace Systems is working with the Integration Pilot Program teams in North Dakota and Alaska. This past year, FlightHorizon was used in the program to provide airspace monitoring for the first IPP drone flights over people at the FargoDome in Fargo, North Dakota, during a large annual football tailgating party. The flights were carried out by CNN and Botlink and observed by representatives from the North Dakota Department of Transportation and the Federal Aviation Administration. In 2018, we also partnered with the Unmanned Systems Research Institute at Oklahoma State University to use FlightHorizon to monitor air traffic and track drones flying in a new 13-mile drone corridor in central Oklahoma that allows unmanned aircraft flight beyond the visual line of sight of the pilot. The new corridor, approved under an FAA Certificate of Authorization, will allow Vigilant Aerospace Systems to demonstrate flight safety using FlightHorizon over much longer distances and continue to lead the industry in the development of automatic detect and avoid systems for drones. Also, at the request of NASA, we developed a special version of FlightHorizon called FlightHorizon X to track supersonic aircraft and spacecraft. The FlightHorizon X system was used in 2018 to track and log NASA's commercial supersonic technology project flights in California and Texas, testing new transponders and quiet supersonic booms. Soon, we also expect to be tracking spacecraft. In September, we announced our partnership with the new Droneport Network and presented a seminar on obstacles to launching a droneport and how to overcome them at the organization's inaugural meeting. The meeting was attended by industry professionals from 10 states and 28 organizations. We also joined the ASTM F-38 committee, which is currently setting national standards for unmanned aircraft systems. We serve on 2 working groups side by side with the leading researchers, airspace regulators, and current commercial technology leaders on setting standards for detect and avoid systems for the industry. Overall, 2018 was an outstanding year for the Vigilant Aerospace team, and we expect 2019 to be another exciting year with the official launch of FlightHorizon Commander, participation in additional supersonic flights with FlightHorizon X, and support for many groundbreaking beyond visual line-of-sight flights throughout the U.S. that will help to advance new regulations and push the entire commercial drone industry forward. For more information on FlightHorizon or to schedule a demonstration, please visit www.vigilantaerospace.com and be sure to follow us on Twitter @VigilantAero.